Morning student, ninth class chemistry, chapter number 4, atomic structure, definition of an element. An element is a substance which is made up of only one type of atom. In element, only one type of atom is present. Element is a pure substance, can neither be created nor be destroyed or decomposed. It form a simple substance by ordinary physical or chemical method. So we cannot create or we cannot destroy it. Example, carbon, an element, because it cannot be split up into two or more simpler substance by ordinary method like heating, breaking or passing electric current. So we cannot break it by any method. We cannot split it. Radioactivity, process of radioactivity, decay and high energy nuclear reaction can transform one elementary substance into another. Through radioactivity, we can do this. This process is given here. Definition of an atom. Atom, smallest particle, having or exhibits all the property of element. It may or may not be exist independently, but taking part in every chemical reaction. Example, take a small piece of iron, break it, convert it into many small pieces, grind it, and then take a fine particle of zinc metal. When we notice or when we check the properties of that fine particle, it is similar to all the properties of the zinc metal. So zinc metal and zinc particle having same property. Discovery of electron. William Crookes, a British scientist, noted that gases are ordinarily poor conductors of electricity. So gases are the poor conductor of electricity. However, when a high voltage 10,000 volt charge from an induction coil is applied to tube filled with a gas at very low pressure, high voltage and low pressure, if we apply to a gas, pressure that is 0.01 mm of mercuric, the gas become good conductor. So due to a high voltage and low pressure, gas will become a good conductor of electricity and begin to flow from cathode to anode in the form of rays. Since these rays originate from the negative plate, these rays originated from negative plate, that is the cathode. And what is the name of the negative plate? Cathode. Travel from the cathode toward anode. So from negative toward positive. Here they are called as a cathode ray. So originated from the cathode, that's why the name is given to the rays called as a cathode rays. Later, J.J. Thomson studied the characteristics and the constituents of cathode ray. The apparatus used by him is called as a discharge tube or a cathode ray tube. So discharge tube or a cathode ray tube used by the J.J. Thomson to do the study. Here, discharge tube with the flowing electrons, we can see here discharge tube. And a discharge tube is a hard glass tube fitted with two metal plates known as electrodes. So in discharge tube, two plates are there called as electrode, one of which is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and is called as anode, positive electrode, while the other is connected to the negative terminal of the battery is called cathode, negative electrode. It has a side tube through which the gas can be pumped out by using the vacuum pump to create vacuum. When electrical discharge of 10,000 volt is passed through gases at very low pressure, 0.01 mm, cathode ray are produced.